Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you the proper way to clean out the USB-C charging port on your Google Pixel 6a phone to ensure it works properly. Let's walk through it. We start by making sure that if the phone is on, we must turn it off. Otherwise, we don't clean the phone because we could damage it. So the first thing is to turn it off. So if you don't have it turned off, hold down the volume up button and the power button until the power menu pops up, and then select the power off button. I already have mine turned off, so I won't be doing that. We need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need isopropyl alcohol, relatively pure, so that it softens the dirt and then evaporates without leaving a trace. And it's also very useful to have a plastic one. What do you call it? A little gadget that has a pointed tip, just to check the ends of the USB-C port itself to see if any dirt has gathered there. Then the tip will just catch that dirt and allow us to pull it out. With USB-C, it sometimes happens that dirt collects on the sides, and then by constantly inserting the USB-C cable, you push that dirt further and further to the back of the port, and later it can be very hard to just get it out with a brush. And such a little gadget is just perfect. We printed it ourselves on a 3D printer, which is also available from us on Allegro, so if you find something like this on Allegro, you can use it. You can buy such a brush, such a diffuser, in a set like that on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. So, we already have the phone completely turned off. We can now sprinkle the brush with isopropyl alcohol. We sprinkle it well so it's nice and wet. If you don't have a diffuser, you can just dip the toothbrush into a small container with alcohol and start cleaning. We pick up the phone. Here we have the USB-C port. We insert the brush into one end of the port, as far as it will go, and slide it to the other side. And we perform this motion 10 to 15 times to clean the port on one side. We just insert it on this side, it won't clean it perfectly yet, so after 10 to 15 times, once we have the rest of the port cleaned and the dirt softened, we will perform a different motion to perfectly clean the rest of the port. So after 10 to 15 times in one direction, we never go left and right, because then we would just be moving the dirt around instead of cleaning it out, always in one direction for a certain number of times, just so that the dirt comes out of the port. Then, after those 10 to 15 times, we insert the brush from the other side of the port as far as it will go and move it in the other direction. And the same thing 10 to 15 times in the other direction, so that the port is cleaned just as well from the other side. After the operation, we take this plastic tool. Just remember that it shouldn't be metal because you could cause a short circuit in the port and damage it. It should be plastic, then it won't cause any short circuit or anything. We insert it into one side as far as it will go, slide it to the very end of the port, and try to pull it out. If there was something there, it would simply come out. Now for the other side. Do the same on this side, insert it at the top, and then on the other side of the port, meaning at the bottom of the port, we do exactly the same thing. Slide it to the very end and pull it out, and then do the same thing on the other side. Slide it to the very end, slide it to the very end of the port, and push it upwards. After the whole operation, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.